Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and today a video about setting up my YouTube table. So these days I used to use this whole table, and I have one table over here. This is our hotel counter table. So I used to use these two and make the video usually, and I have checked on some of the videos on YouTube where they are using a good table which has height adjustable thing, and which is really easy to like stand and make a video, and a few videos where you can sit on chair and make. So I've bought a Featherlight height adjustable table, wherein this is not a brand new one, and this was actually not available on the website. I couldn't find it. Okay, so I bought this from OLX in Bangalore. If you want to buy this after checking this video, I'm gonna leave the number in the description. You can contact him. He's from near Athi Nagar, Kawal by Sundra, where I got this for 3,500 rupees. I think this is worth, because the quality wise is really good. Initially I thought it's a local one, but after that even though it's a used one, the quality is really good, and this is not like used much, and I think I can still use this for a longer time. So I bought this. So I'm going to show you what all the items I've got this with. I'm going to show you the tools which I'm going to use for the installation. And before that guys, thank you so much for your love and support, wherein because of your love and support I have reached 75,000 plus subscribers. I need your continuous love and support so I can make even like good and better video. Please give me a suggestion and feedback in the comment section. So let's begin this video. So guys, this is the table which I'm gonna use it. This is a platform table, and this is of 5 feet, okay, in length, and width is of 2.5. And here comes the legs of this, wherein you have these wheels over here which is movable, and you have a lock over here. Okay, just pressing it down, it will lock the wheel, and by just pressing it up, the lock will be released. So here you get this Allen key thing, wherein using this you can increase the height up to 3.5 feet. So I think it can be increased more also. So once I get this installation, then I'll get into that, so I can check on the height part. And this is the leg part, and this is the frame which holds the table and legs together. And the quality is really good. This is made up of aluminum, this is not kind of pure iron, I think, wherein aluminum or a cast iron maybe, that's what I feel. So this is really nice. Let me just use my magnet like spirit level, so I'll come to know. Okay, so this frame is of magnet, and the frame is of metal iron, and here you can see these clamps. This is of aluminum. This is really nice, and I think bought this for a very good price. And coming to my tools, I'm going to use my drilling machine, which I can use it for drilling, screwing and other things. I have some set of screwdriver and drilling bits from Bosch, and these are the screws which the person has given to me. So this one is gonna fit to the table. This is for the side, and this is for the main frame. So I'm gonna install this. Let's begin this. So first I'm gonna assemble these legs. Okay, first I'm gonna assemble leg and then the frame. Once this is complete stable, then I'll take the table and place it over there. So I'm gonna keep my mobile over here. So guys, I have used a time lapse and recorded this. So this is of just each end. You'll have 4 screws, 1 2 3 and 4, so 8 and 8, total 16 screws. So this is the plastic part where this board gonna be fitting over here, and you have screws over here to fit that. So using this through screws from down, I'm gonna use fit that, and you get this smallest screws to install it over here. So now either you can put the table top and screw it from the bottom, or you can just like put it upside down and then install it. Depends on the convenient. If you have 2 or more people, then you can do that, or else you can just follow the procedure which I'm gonna do. This is really steady. So you can see there's a lock which I've added like both the side. So this can be used as front, so you can anytime you wanna like move the table, just lift this locks up and you can just move it anywhere around you want. And once you're done, you can just keep the table in the position and just press this locks both the side, so this will be stop. So that is how you have to use it. So let me just take the table. I'm going to use the same time-lapse mode and fix the table part. So guys, wherein the table installation is done. So like I said, there are 2 other screw, 1 2 3 4 over there at the back side. Same over here, 1 2 and 3 4, and you can see there are other 4 screws over here. I have screwed it zigzag, 1 over here, 2 here, 3 here and 4 there. So he gave me only 4 screws, so I've just added only 4. So if you can get the extra screws, you can use it, but I think 4 is more than enough. So the installation part is done now, and the table is steady. I've just sat on the table and checked. It's really neat and clean. So I'm gonna keep this table over there. And coming to the height adjustment thing, wherein here it is. Okay, this is the Allen key, where you have to lose the Allen key for all 4 legs and then increase the height as per your desired requirement, and then you have to lock it one by one, which is little difficult, but you can't use it every time. But however, if you want to use it for at least a day or more than a week on one particular height, you can do that. So that's it, guys. So I just bought this used one, and however, I just wanted to show you guys, because very all the height adjustable table is costing more than 15,000, which is manual thing, and the electronic one is costing more than 20 to 30,000. So I'm just looking for one jugaad adjustable, so I got this. So if you are looking for this kind of table, then you can buy this. As I said, I'm gonna leave the details in the description. I'm exhausted. It took I think almost half an hour of time to get this complete assembled by a single person. I used a drilling machine. If you're using a screwdriver, it would have taken another 15 to 20 minutes extra. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna set up my YouTube table, and then you will be able to see this table in all my other videos. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're not a subscribe, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do share your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.